Hello guys, Glitcho Knight here, and I'm playing with my friend Agoy. You can add him.
Hello. My
You can
subscribe
add
to my
him
YouTube
here. This
channel.
is his
I have 40
username.
I have
This is
30
my
I have
username,
35 subscribers.
and I'm a new YouTuber. So yeah, just don't mind it.
Yeah.
Don't touch my
Subscribe
PC.
to him.
Okay, today we're playing
Please.
Legend Legends of Speed 2, and I don't know why people said it's fun, but not gonna lie, it's do fun. Man, I just feel that. Level up, level 6, man. I'm going to level 6.
Wait for me, I'm still at level 5. Need to reach this.
I'm just going to walk around and get more steps. No, thank you. Let's see store. Gems, passive.
Okay,
How
yes.
much passive? Get level 50 to trail. You got any trails, Mel?
What?
Trails?
No.
We just be like running around, man. Go running around. Go run over
Um,
the freaking city. Run.
Okay, now I'm at level 6.
I'm still level 5, man. Just one for freaking.
What? You're still at level 5?
Yes, finally! Level set. Level. Level. Level 6. Finally. Let's go! Level 7.
Okay, wait. We already at level 7?
Yes, man. Level. Almost. Come on. Come on, man.
Wait. Oh my god.
Come on. Oh, yeah. This guy's is a rookie, too. So, yeah. Let's go!
Wait for
Going
me.
to.
I didn't get the.
Going to get it.
Okay, I didn't
No,
caught
no,
it.
I
Wait,
don't
wait.
need the freaking.
Wait, there's XP. You see
Level
the red
8!
ones?
Let's
Those
go!
are
I'm level
XP.
8.
Wait for me. I'm still at level 6.
I'm still level 6. This is why the one
Wait,
who
man.
always record is a freaking damn
I'm
lucky
I'm
man.
still finding.
What
I'm
lucky am
still
I?
finding EXP.
Hold up, hold on. I wanna check the control panel. Oh yeah, this is his mission too. If you wanna add him,
Okay,
this is his number.
okay, now I'm level 7.
So I'm going to what is called again? It's time skip. So
Hmm,
whoop.
I got
Okay
you,
guys, yeah,
Nabi.
it's been for a while that I've grind, so it's been so meant to beat it. Okay, so I'll level up finally. That is so so I'm back with some more wee
Nah.
obli man. What was that? Rick Kids out.
Oh man. Okay, this obby is quite
Yo, what
hard.
level are you, man?
What level? Wait, what level are you on?
I'm at 13.
I'm at 17.
Man, you already next level?
Yeah, I'm almost at 18.
Where are you, man?
I'm at the obby.
Where's Abby?
The obby.
What? What kind of Abby?
There's an obby.
There's an
If
Abby?
you see a green
Where?
portal, that's my obby. Like at the edge of the city.
Edge of the city?
At the edge of the city. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now I'm level 18.
Man, you're so bunk up, man. Oh
Here.
my god. Oh my god. Did you see that? Oh, yo, what the? Level level 16 check.
Okay, now I'm level 18.
I'm level 14. People just camping here. Yo, go to the purple ring. Ring.
I'm gonna get a
Man.
pet first.
I'm
Wait.
level 15.
Oh, I get a
Level
red bunny.
16. I'm level 16 now.
You're level 16 now? Good job.
17.
Level 17? No way, bro.
I'm just going for rampage, man.
What's going on a rampage?
Yay, 17, man.
No. Okay,
What level
now
are
I
you?
jump higher than Billy. I almost jump higher than Billy
Level
right now.
18. Let's go. Yo,
Okay,
you
let's
see me, man?
go.
You see, man?
What? I'm at the purple building.
I'm at the purple ring, and I'm under it. Man, if you just watch my video after my second video in this YouTube channel, you will see what did I just do. Watch till the end,
Okay,
man.
I'll see, I'll
Watch
see,
till
I'll
the
see.
end.
Okay, I'll see, I'll see, I'll see, okay, wait.
Level 20, man. Come on, man. That was so lucky. Man, that was so lucky. I can't believe
Wait,
I
you're
just
level 20?
jump over that place so high. Yeah, I used
Wait, you're
that
level 20?
trampoline. You got it too, man. Let's go.
Now I'm level 19.
I'm level 20. What level are you?
I'm at, okay, wait, okay, now. I'm still at level 19.
What level? You're level 19.
Yeah, I'm still at level 19.
I'm 21. Man, this is the
I'm stuck,
fastest way to
man.
get up.
It's a
This is the
downgrade.
fastest
I'm
way.
stuck.
Sorry, man. I'm level
Okay, now I'm
22
level
now.
20. Okay, now I'm at level 20.
I'm already level 22.
Bruh.
Man, you should farming like me, man. This is so faster.
Wait, do you use a code?
No, I don't use the code.
Okay, I'm gonna join a race.
New speed at 100.
I don't know why I joined a race.
Oh, let's go. My speed is 100 now, man.
Go, let's go.
I'm
Oh man, I'm
so
not.
lucky, man. I can't believe. Oh, yeah. Oh, guys, I'll be
Oh man,
ready for a minute. Bye bye, oh. Alright, guys, my friend just left because he gotta go somewhere. I don't know why. I'm just gonna try this obby. He said this is a obby, but I don't know. Travel grass course, sure. Man, this is so easy. It's so easy. I could just jump, but with my new speed, I don't know if I can win this. Holy jet. Okay, okay. I'm. Oh shit. Okay, this is just low. Okay, man, that just bounced. Okay, that's just man. Frick. No, that was so freaking close. Yo, if anyone knows what that place count, tell me in the comment. What? Oh yeah, that big thing. That big thing. But man, you can't jump there. That's very. Oh yeah? Let's try. After I defeat this course. Right. Okay, that just roasted. This game just roasting. Speeder. I'm a freaking speeder. No way. I'm a runner. I'm a runner title. My friend left because he's gotta play something else. So might as well. Oh guys did the monkey sound? Did I? I don't know. If I fall, I swear to God. I swear to God. Oh, finally I win. Snow City? Snow City, my man. Ooh, enchanted. Sure, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Level. What does that level? Okay, that is okay. So like, and, I'll be here for a while. So you guys should wait. Okay, guys, I'm in a race now, and I'm just gonna hold, 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 hold. Ooh, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! And I just jump. No way. Okay, thank God I'm trying to play. You see it my races too, because before I unpause my listen pauses, I winner wins and got first. As I the one second. What the fuck, bro? What happened? Sure. Oh, okay, so I'll be AFK for a minute. So bye bye. Also, yeah. Hold up. What? Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Holy God! Common, freaking rare, and a freaking white phoenix. Oh, what man? Oh man. Oh yeah, sorry man. Sorry, blue bunny. Hold on. I don't want to race. Yeah, sure. I just got two full hits. Anyone see the stats? I did not see. Man, everyone here so fast. Can't believe I'm the one. Oh, man, I'm just like slip back, slip back, slip back. Man, I just slipped back. Okay. I just got a unique trail. I don't have enough money. Let's see what is this thing. Ooh, Koopa Merpa, particular Papa. That's large number. Whee! Got it. Okay, so what is this? Lava Pirate Cavern, level 50. Used to be level 50. Sheesh, I'm in. Man, this is slip back. Can't believe this is slip back. Can someone clip this? Clip this. Slip back. I'm a some slip back. I can't. I can't think that. Man, that just embarrassing. What the frick? Man, I'm just slip backing. Slip backing. Slip backing. Hold on. What happened? I slip back. Slip back. Man, that just roasting, man. No, no, no. I'm going to level 50 first, then I'm going to join a race, then get a trail 2. Try the trail if I can. Level 30, 37. Okay. So, is it only me that is here? I don't know. Just, I don't know. Man, I've been. Yes, I got it. Okay. Hold on, I'll be pause for a minute. Okay, I'm going to back. Okay, you gotta do. Oh, that is roasting, my man. I can't believe I gotta go back. Freaking. This is just roasting. Thank God I have power travel. Yes, just go to the city. What did I? No, no. I'm a pit name flip back. Pit. What the hell? Am I still counting the race? Can't believe. Yo, I'm not even moving, man. It's just like an animation, a broken animation. Man, man, man. What the hell did happen to me? What the hell? I believe. Can't believe. I'm just like a broken animation, man. A broken animation. What the hell? Okay, that just throws me. This game just throws me. That just still counts. No, no. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. What the hell was that? Name flip back. Name flip back. Name flip back. We need rails. I can run. Did I just you? What the hell, man? Third person. So I just don't need to race, but I still get a reward. If someone knows that song, oh, I'm dead. Nope. Man, I'm just too lucky getting. Wait. Hey. Beat it up. That okay, I'll be AFK for a minute. So, the people that I just played, name is Agoy, and I'll show you his YouTube channel later. Shout out to him for telling me about this game and about this some stuff that I did not even know existed. Yeah, I'm gonna pin his name, his YouTube channel after this. Okay, so maybe I will just man. What the? Okay, that is taking so long. Is it because of my youth speed? Wait, don't say. Oh my god! I can I can setting my speed. I'm just going for 100, man. The jump is hacked. Okay, not that fast, but okay. Still okay. Not gonna lie. Liking pistol. Okay, sure. Man, I forgot I don't have enough money. Oh, I'll be AFK for a minute. And lastly, there we go. Wait, still okay. I just been looking for a long time. Okay, so I finally get my word. Waluigi. Okay, what is this? This thing looks okay. I'm just gonna Bro, what? This thing broke. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Max speed, max, max, max jump. There we go. Okay, maybe for this time. Okay, I'll be continuing this game in So, well, goodbye, guys. So, I'm actually done playing this. So, yeah. Bye bye, guys. I'm done playing this. Okay, bye bye. See you in next video.